Hi guys, my name's Sophie from Sophie's Suitcase and I'm going to be exploring this beautiful area of Mid Wales over the next weekend. We are doing everything from stargazing to hiking to heading to the Elan Valley Dam, and we're also going to a Red Kite Rehabilitation Centre as well. So let's go! So our first stop of our adventure into Mid Wales is in the book town of Hay-on-Wye. We just crossed the border from England to Wales and we're now in Hay-on-Wye, so we're going to go and find somewhere to have some lunch, have a wander around, see which book shops we can find, because they have the most bookshops in Hay-on-Wye than anywhere else in the UK, I believe. So let's go. So you'll see loads of these little book passages on Hay-on-Wye, and there's just some incredible, look at these, all these old books, they're amazing.
Poshest Londis I've ever seen.
So we have just finished having a wander around the beautiful town of Hay-on-Wye, nipping in at all the bookshops. We just had a lovely lunch as well at the Granary Cafe, and we are now heading back to the car to head to our beautiful accommodation for the weekend. So let's go. So we have just checked in to Nanneth Holiday Cottages, and this place is so cute. Look how cosy it is. So it's a cute little converted barn, and you come in, you've got a little kitchen situation here. They've left us some cake. How cute, incredible. We've then got this little sitting room, which we're definitely going to put that on later. And then this place is massive, so then so cosy.
Just be like a lighting boom, if you like.
Hey guys, so I'm having to film with the light because it is so dark here. We've just arrived after dinner and we have come to the Elan Valley to go to one of its incredible dark sky areas to basically have a look at the moon and the constellations, the stars. So we're going to be using an incredible telescope. We've got Sam and the team behind us who are going to be helping us this evening. So I just sort of bring you along with me. It's going to be quite hard to show you what's going on, but I was really excited to do this activity as part of our weekend in Mid Wales.
Bots to tell them how to do something with the news.
If you just look up and to the almost 3 o'clock to the moon, you'll see a star, and that's actually Saturn.
Oh,
so
wow.
that's kind of in conjunction at the moment because it's moving near the moon. Not sure how that'll come through in the frame, but it looks nice visually.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 in Mid Wales as part of our adventure. So we have arrived at the Elan Valley Visitor Centre. We had the most amazing experience last night here, but obviously in the dark at like 8 p.m, and it was incredible, and I would highly recommend coming here to the Dark Sky Reserve to experience that kind of stargazing event. But yeah, we are back here this morning because we are going on a dam tour to explore everything this area has to offer. So let's go. Where are we going today? So we're starting at the visitor centre, then we're going to go up to where we were last night at Clywyn Dam. And then we're going to follow all the way back down and then head all the way up to the north area of the Elan Valley to Craig Goch Dam, and then head back further down to one of the other dams on the estate to go for a dam tour. The dams are undoubtedly the biggest draw to Elan Valley, offering a wonderful year-round backdrop for cyclists, walkers, photographers and much more. We headed out with Mark to visit a few of the dams in the area, including Craig Goch, Pen y Garreg, Garreg Dwr and the newest Clywyn Dam. Right, Jan?
Valley, and this holds 50% of all the water on the estate.
So this is our 4th dam of the day. We're actually going to go inside this one. So this is Pen y Garreg, I'm actually going to go down here and then into the dam, and you'll see us up here in a minute.
The pressure of it, you can see it down there.
So we've now finished at the Elam Valley and we've managed to spend all morning, way longer than we had planned, just because it was really cool to see all these incredible dams, learn more about the history, but we are heading very quickly now to the Hafod for lunch, and then we're going to Devil's Bridge as well for a small walk before then hopefully having enough time at some point this afternoon to nip into Aberystwyth for just a wander around the town. So on to the next. So we just finished the most lovely lunch at the Hafod, and we have now come to Devil's Bridge, which is an iconic spot in mid Wales, and so we've been desperate to come to here for a really long time. We've just paid £4 each to get in. We've got a little map so that we can find our way. Basically it's just walking around this entire site, seeing the 3 bridges, the waterfall, and just views of the most amazing countryside in mid Wales. So let's go. Good afternoon, or yeah, it is still afternoon. We have come to Aberystwyth, and we've come to get a hot chocolate because the sun is setting, have a little walk along the beach with Endy and just take in the view, because we've just had the best day here in mid Wales. So we thought we'd end it on a high before heading back to our accommodation for the evening. Yeah, this place is beautiful, look at it. We were just walking along the promenade bit and we saw loads of people stopping, and we can actually see a seal in the water. I don't know if you can see it. Its head pops up every now and again. If you look really closely, where is it? And then tomorrow we've got a jam-packed day as well, so see you in the morning. Good morning from mid Wales and day 3 of our adventure. So we've just checked out at Nynnerth Country Holiday Cottages, and the weather's a little bit different today. You might be able to see it's very foggy, very misty. Really excited to spend another day exploring this area of Wales, and yeah, we're going to go grab coffee, have some breakfast, and then head to Hafren Forest. So let's go. Long distance, but we don't want too long. This one, I think. So we've just arrived at Hafren Forest, and we are going to go on one of their shorter walks. It's around 2.5 kilometres, I believe, so about an hour-ish. But obviously we'll stop and make the most of these amazing views at the same time. So yeah, let's go. Let's go and walk the dog and explore this beautiful natural landscape. So our final stop of this incredible weekend in mid Wales is the Gigrin Rehabilitation Centre for red kites in the local area, and we're so excited to end our trip here. This came up highly recommended when we were doing our research for the itinerary for this trip, so super happy we're able to do it. We've got a 2 PM booking where apparently they tell us more about the red kites in this incredible landscape which you can see behind me, and then we get to see hopefully some red kites flying around, because they feed them around 2:30. So yeah, we will see what this is all about. I've never been anywhere like this before, so let's go.